Take a look at this problem. We got 12x to the 12th plus 35x to the 11th minus 3x to the 10th. First off, we want to pull out a GCF. I notice right away that they all have x's, and I want to pull out the most x's I can, but can't pull out 12 of them if this one only has 10. It's always the one with the smallest exponent. So we're going to factor out an x to the 10th. Okay, and here we got 12 x's. We pulled 10 of them away, so that leaves us 2 x's. Plus 35. We had 11 x's, took 10 of them away, so that leaves us a single x. Minus 3, and then we had 10 x's and took all 10 of them away, so there's no x's left. Now, what's inside the parentheses is going to be the key number. The reason why it's key number is because we got x squared x, no x, and there's a number in front of our x squared. So we're going to take the number at the beginning times the number at the end, ignoring signs. So number at the beginning, the 12, times the number at the end, the 3. And that gives us 36. Then we'll come up with our 3 columns. P column, we list all products, give us 36. We got 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. And the sum column, we want to add them together. S for sum. 1 plus 36 is 37, 2 plus 18 is 20, 3 plus 12 is 15, 4 plus 9 is 13, 6 plus 6 is 12. D for difference. Want to subtract smaller from larger. 36 minus 1 is 35, 18 minus 2 is 16, 12 minus 3 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus 6 is 0. Now, the number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is the 35, which is right here, which means we use 1 and 36. Now, the x to the 10th carries down. Now, we're going to rewrite our middle term using these two numbers. The larger number we're using 1 and 36, so larger one's a 36, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which in this problem is a positive. Number I circled in the difference column, D for different signs, means one will be positive, one will be negative. Since the 36 was positive, then the 1 will be negative. And then we want to factor by grouping. So group first 2 terms together, group last 2 terms together. Now for our first group, they have a 12 and an x in common, and that gives us x plus 3. For our second group, they don't have anything in common, but my first term's negative, so you'll always factor out a negative when that happens. And that gives us x plus 3. Remember our note on GCF. We said if our first term is negative, you always bring out a negative. Now our goal was to get this parentheses same as this, which it is. So I'm going to factor out an x plus 3. And that's going to leave us 12x minus 1. And that would be our answer.